Welcome everyone to Life Happened, the place where people send in their very personal life stories for us to share with you. You can make a huge difference in their lives by sharing your feelings and advice for them in the comments below. My name is Emma, your host, and this story is from Max. Dear Emma, my name is Max. I lost my job a few weeks ago, and with the severance pay I received, I made up my mind to get in shape before trying to look for another job. I have been working for years, and I think this is the right time for me to enjoy some of the luxuries of life. So, getting in shape does not only mean looking good on the outside, it also means being able to satisfy my body and soul. I want to prepare myself ahead of my next job to protect my body from any form of any diseases. I am about to reach 40, and I am worried that my current diet regime is not enough to protect my body from dangerous diseases, although I am not ready to change it. I wish to find a way to protect myself since I have lots of friends who are already suffering because of their health. I want to find the right balance of things that can help me stay fit, active, and healthy. I don't know if what I eat will also be important since I have gained some weight lately. Note, eating how you are now is not working, so perhaps it's time to start something new. I tried some diets online and they seem to work for other people, but for me, I'd rather stick with my favorite meals provided by fast food chains. But then this friend insists that eating junk is not good for our bodies and that we should at least try healthier alternatives like more vegetables. He invited us last time to a pool party at his house, and as expected, most of us ordered pizza slices since he already prepared everything needed when we arrived, so we wouldn't get lazy on doing what we really came for, which was having fun. I don't think this particular diet is effective for me since I like to eat foods that are delicious. And the main reason why we go to parties is to enjoy ourselves. So eating healthy does not seem to be a good option because it squashes my freedom of choice. What I am saying is that eating healthy doesn't have to take away the pleasure of enjoying good food. Note, that's exactly true. Eating healthy can be very satisfying and delicious. I feel that my body can take in foods on the extreme side, from salty to sweet. Still, when I think about changing or switching certain things in my daily diet, I get so alarmed because it might affect my health, especially if there is already some problem with me that I am not aware of. But then again, my health is one of the most important things in my life, and without it, I would feel useless. It's really hard finding a balance between these two opposing sides with only a few people who have similar mindsets as me. Note, if it's your health you are concerned about, then it's high time you make some changes to your meals. Everyone says nothing worthwhile comes easy, so I have to accept this fact. My friend also advised us about some exercise routines, but I am not interested in doing those exercises, especially when he mentioned that you could get what you want if you try hard enough. This is how he lost so much weight in the past months, but I'd rather stick with what I am doing. It's too boring and tiring actually to do exercises, or at least running every day to stay fit, which contradicts my lifestyle because I am used to sitting for most of the hours of the day in an office seat. Plus, I don't have any willpower to exercise for hours without stopping. I want to be fit, but I can't accept this kind of lifestyle, so I should stick with the food I like and exercise as little as possible. Note, not a good idea at all. And because you sit for most of the day, moving your body is vital to maintain health and a moderate weight. Also, this topic reminds me of the books and audio versions, which we have referenced for you in the description box below. And now is a good time to hit the like button. I don't know if another diet regimen or exercise fits my current lifestyle because I can't exercise for long, and my taste buds seem to be picky, and it won't be easy for me to keep to a diet plan. I don't want to give up my favorite meals. I'd rather keep them forever and take pills if they could help me achieve my health and fitness plan. It will be so hard to enjoy fast food if I end up being on a diet plan right away. I want to know if I can eat healthfully and still enjoy my lifespan without having any health issues. Note, there are healthier choices when it comes to fast food. Remember Jared? He lost all of his excess weight by eating at Subway. My friends told me that it's useless eating healthy food all of a sudden after being on a fast food diet for so long, since since there is no quick fix solution. But what they don't understand is that I cannot be comfortable with a lifestyle that does not give me the freedom to eat whatever I wish. I'd rather choose a tastier option and learn how to handle my belly fat instead of doing exercises for more than 3 hours a day and eating food that does not satisfy my taste buds. I wish to find someone with a similar mindset and learn how we can be fit like others, but in our own way. Note, proper food, some form of physical activity are necessary for good health. I have tried to follow the normal routine like others, but I don't have the energy and the ability to follow their plans. It's frustrating trying to deprive myself of some foods because I will end up being sick if I choose to do so. Note, you may get sick if you follow on your current path. What is the beauty of life without good food and not being filled with lots of stress? I cannot be healthy if I can't enjoy my life worrying about how many calories I take in every day, since everything we do is with purpose. Still, without knowing our purpose, we will head towards a direction and never get results. I don't think I have any health issues, but I only gained some weight and I wish to drop the excess pounds. The details of my situation are just a mere issue, and I wish I can connect with the right people to help me out with some pills or advice that could make me live my life the way I wish and still stay fit and healthy. Max, thank you for your letter to us. I will now give my thoughts and opinions as to Max's story. I am not a nutritionist and I am not offering advice to Max, just information which I've read and learned about over the years about eating and exercising. Wow, Max, you seem to believe that you can stay on your present trajectory, eating anything you like, including fast foods, and not exercising, and still be healthy? I believe that you couldn't be more deceiving to yourself if you tried. You've mentioned that you've gained weight. Personally, I gained weight last year during the pandemic when I wasn't working or exercising, and I wasn't even eating fast foods. Home-cooked meals did me in. So I understand that it is very easy to gain weight, but difficult to lose. Thankfully, I pay very close attention to what I eat and how much. Smaller portions is one of the keys to losing weight and maintaining it. I believe for a man, the caloric count per day to lose weight is 1,600 to 1,800 calories, meaning that in order to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, you shouldn't be eating more than that per day. If you are sedentary, then you should only be consuming around 1,750 calories per day. Now, these numbers can vary, so check online for the accuracy of these numbers for your age, height, and weight. There are many websites available for you to peruse to acquire the information needed for you to eat well and lose and maintain your weight. Additionally, healthy food does not at all have to be boring. But if you absolutely must have your fast food, then have it a couple of times a week, not every day. Just cut out some days and you will be surprised and happy to see that you've lost a bit of weight. To find tasty, healthy food, you can do another search on the internet. I found one myself called www.eatwell101.com, or you could order prepared food online to suit your tastes and caloric intake. Here's the website I found which sends you delicious and healthy foods: www.magickitchen.com. So we hope you decide to change your eating habits so you can have a better and healthier life. Also, you don't have to walk for hours a day. Rather, start slow in the beginning. Take a walk in a nice park or trail, go cycling, walk around a mall several times, walk to the store, etc. Get creative as to how you can start moving away from such a sedentary lifestyle. We truly hope you are successful in your weight loss goal and try to eat healthier. All the best to you, Max. Today's quotes are: working out is never convenient, but neither is illness, diabetes, and obesity. That's by an anonymous author. And start with changing unhealthy habits to healthy ones and make them your favorites, by Sahara Sanders. So, how did you like Max's story? You can now scroll down to the comments section and leave your opinion, remark, question, or answer to Max's story. We would really like to hear from you. You may have just the right solution for his unhealthy choices. And remember that by liking and subscribing to Life Happened, you will hear me read letters every week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which people send us explaining their issues in their everyday lives. These are real life personal stories, and people want to be heard. And Life Happened is a great forum for them to have a place to speak about what is happening in their lives at a very personal level. Also, don't forget, if you have a personal story or issue which you would like to share with us, please send us an email using the email provided in the description box below. It would be great to hear from you. And we certainly accept anonymous letters from authors, and we always change the names to protect people's privacy. We thank you for joining us here today, where life happened. Again, my name is Emma, and we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.